Hello everyone. In this short session, we will solve percentage questions based on fresh fruits and dry fruits type. Okay. So, and also I will tell you the short trick which will help us to solve this type question in very less time. Okay. So let's see. So the first question is fresh fruit contains 68% water and dry fruit contains 20% water. How much dry fruit can be obtained from 100 kg of fresh fruits? So, to solve this question, we should know that the quantity of pulp always remains constant. Either it is fresh fruit or it is dry fruits. So, understand this. I will draw here a diagram. So, let's see. We have fresh fruit. Let's consider a fresh fruit, and we know that fruit contains pulp and water. So, here it is the total weight of fruit is 100 kg, and here it is 40%. It contains 40% pulp. It is pulp and it contains 60 kg water. And in dry fruit, what happens? Water gets evaporated, so the total weight of the fruit decreases. Here it is dry fruit, so the total weight has now decreased because water has been evaporated from the fruit. So we can see the water has evaporated, but the pulp has remained same. It is 40 kg, and water has become 60 to 10 kg. Let's say it that we are just assuming that it is not given in the question. We are just trying to understand the concept why pulp is always considered the same. So it total weight becomes now 40 plus 10 50 kg. So pulp doesn't go anywhere, water only gets evaporated, so that's why the total weight gets decreased in dry fruit. And if you see the percentage of pulp in fresh fruit, it is 40 out of 10, means 80%. And in dry fruit it is 40 out of 50, means, sorry, it is here it is 40%. 40 out of 100 means 40%. And in dry fruit 40 out of 50 means here it is 80%. So we can see the percentage has increased in dry fruit, but we have to keep in mind that the actual weight of the pulp always remains constant. Pulp doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so let's see the question. So here it is, they have given that the fresh fruit contains 68% water, means what will be the percentage of pulp? 100 minus 68, which is 32% pulp. And in dry fruit it is 20%, means water is 20%, means pulp will be 100 minus 20, it is 80%. In dry fruit there is 32% pulp, and in fresh fruit there is 32% pulp, and in dry fruit there is 80% pulp. So we have to they have given us 100 kg of fresh fruit. In 100 kg of fresh fruit there will be 32% pulp, means 32% of 100, what is it is 32 kg. So we get 32 kg of pulp from 100 kg, and now water has evaporated. When we have dry fruit, we have to find the quantity of dry fruits. So in dry fruits 32 means 80%. So 80%, the pulp is 82%, means 80% is 32. So we have to find the what will be 100%. I will show you another way to solve this question, but let's see through this way also. So 100% will be 100 into 32 divided by 80%, 80, which is okay, it becomes 40. So the answer comes 40 kg. In another way we can equate it. In another way we can solve this question in one line. So we can equate fresh fruit is equal to pulp in fresh fruit is equal to fresh pulp in dry fruit, which is 32%. 32% in fresh fruit is equal to 80% in dry fruit. So we have total weight of fresh fruit, which is 100. 32% of 100 is equal to 80% of dry fruit. So if you calculate it, it becomes 40 kg of dry fruits. So answer is C. Let's see another question. Fresh fruit contains 95% of water, while dry fruit contains 10% of water. How much quantity of dry fruit can be obtained from 63 kg of fresh fruits? So here in fresh fruit, the percentage of pulp is 5%, and in dry fruit, percentage of pulp is 100 minus 10, so it is 90%. So let's equate it. 5% of fresh fruits equal to 90% of dry fruits. So we have the fresh fruit quantity, which is 63 kg. 63 to 5%. If you don't write the percentage sign, it's okay. It gets cancelled. So dry fruit will come 9 tens are 9 sevens are 35 divided by 10, 3.5 kg. So the answer is C. Let's see another question. Fresh grapes contain 80% water, while dry grapes contain 10% water. If the weight of dry grapes is 250, what was its total weight when it was fresh? So here the question has little changed. They have asked us the weight of fresh fruits. Also, so we can calculate it. So I suggest you to pause the video and try yourself to solve the question. So I hope you have done this and you have solved the question. Now I'm going to solve. 80% water means 20% pulp is equal to 10% water in dry means 90% pulp in dry fruits, and they have given us the weight of grapes, dry grapes, which is 90% into 250 kg. So the fresh fruit becomes 2 divided by 125, 9 into 125, 5 into 1125 kg. Okay, so the answer will be B. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful.